Hi food lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave comment below, share, like. Today I'm going to show you how to make a almond biscuit. And here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Here are the ingredients. I do have baking powder, one teaspoon of baking powder, sugar, oil, 2 eggs, 3 cups of almond. And this is the almond that I'm going to use right now. And I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla SL. And first of all, I'm going to make my butter, which means I'm going to start with the oil. But you can use even butter instead of oil. But for me, I prefer to use oil. Then I'll have to stir my sugar and oil together. Then I'm going to add my 2 eggs. Then after that, I'm going to add my vanilla SL. Then the last ingredients shall be the almond flour, 3 cups of almond flour. And my baking powder. Now you're supposed to flip it slowly, gently. Before that, I need to preheat my oven. I forgot to preheat my oven. I've already preheated my oven 345 Fahrenheit. And right now I'm trying to combine my all ingredients together. But you're not supposed to overdo it. Just try to do it gently. Then after that, I'm done with that one. Now I need to make the shape of the biscuit. My hands are clean. I've just washed my hands, so don't worry about my hands. I've already washed my hands. Because you might be wondering, why am I making the shape of the biscuit in my hands? And for this recipe, it's a simple recipe. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and also it doesn't consume a lot of time for preparation. If you get time, you should just get the recipe, and you leave the comment below, or even you can share with me the pictures. You can leave the comment below and you tell me how your biscuit came out. And for this one, it's a good snack for kids. If you're having kids at home, or even family, it's a good snack. And also it's a gluten free snack, and also low carb. And I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes. And I'll have to share with you. I'll share with you the video once they're ready. Hi, food lovers. This is our final result for our almond biscuit. And they're really sensitive. Like when you're baking them, you're supposed to reduce the heat of your oven, because you can see they're about to get burned, but they're really tasty. And this is the final. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave comment, share, like. Thank you very much. Bye bye.